I'm Jason from Motorcycle Tuning Tips, and in this video I'm going to give you 5 things you must have with a KTM dirt bike. All of these are things that I've kind of discovered. I bought this bike used that I've needed at one point or the other and was just frustrated in not having it or realizing I needed it. KTM does things a little different, and some of it's just inherent to dirt bike vibration. All right, I'm not going to give these in any particular order. I'm just going to go over how I discovered them or how I realized I needed them and reasons why I needed them. All right, number 1, a manual. You can't buy these manuals, or I've had a hard time finding it as far as printed. I like the printed manual, but couldn't really find it. So I had to order a CD that includes all the KTM 250 SXF in it. This is very valuable. Front axle, I didn't even know how to take off. It does not come off like a Japanese bike. I still don't know how to take it off, but I'll figure it out. It's not that hard, but manual, Torx specs, rebuilt the top end. How are you going to rebuild the top end? How does it go together? How do you align the cams? All that's covered in this manual. If you're a DIY mechanic, you have a KTM, you are going to need a manual. Number 2, Torx bits. Almost everything on a KTM is a Torx bit. Why they put this on a dirt bike, I don't know. It's crazy. Some of them are like hex heads. You can't actually get a socket on, and some of them, the way they're positioned, you need a Torx bit to get to. Subframe, Torx bits. Covers through the clutch cover, Torx bit. One of them, even though it's a hex, you have to have a Torx bit. TPS tool. Your bike having flame outs, stalls, doesn't run right, seems to be lean, chances are is your TPS needs adjusting. Set it to around 0.62, 0.6, probably will get smoother and run better. You just got to be careful if you go too high. What I found is then you end up running rich through all the bands. So TPS tool. Number 4, my favorite. Spark plug socket. Bring the bike home, start getting weeping through this hole. Start getting weeping through the weep hole on my spark plug or on the head, and went to tighten it up, figured out, oh hey, spark plug's loose. I'm gonna get my spark plug socket out. I am going to tighten it up, all problem solved. Nope, KTM requires a thin head sparket or thin wall sparket socket in order to tighten it. If you have a regular spark plug socket, 5/8, 14 millimeter, I think, it won't work. It has to be a thin wall in order to tighten it. It will not fit around between the plug and the head. My favorite, bolt kit. A lot of the bolts on here, KTM, and that's probably other dirt bikes, but I've seen it on my sport bikes too, but they have like shoulders on them, or they have special type spacers in them that fit within here. And due to the vibration of a dirt bike, you're gonna lose bolts. I was at the trails 2 weeks ago. My exhaust fell off. Went to look for a bolt, needed a bolt, didn't have it, so it's like, okay, I'm gonna buy a bolt kit. I'm gonna start bringing a bolt kit with me so this never happens again. So 5 is a bolt kit. Make sure it is KTM specific. Otherwise, you're gonna run into problems. That's another thing, that KTM does things a little unique. It's not that they're bad, it's just that It's just unique. Coming from Jap bikes, it's some of the things I'm just not used to. Alright, so if you like videos like this, please like and subscribe. It helps me out. I'm trying to make videos practical for people. Things that I wanted to know when I was looking and will help someone else out. So please give me a thumbs up and like and subscribe.